Hi all. In this video we'll take a look at the new market balance indicator on the pace of tape gauge. Now, as you may know, the pace of tape gauge gives us a very easy way to view the pace of trade across a number of markets. So for example, at the bottom here we can see the Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500, Russell 2000 markets. So at a glance we can see if the markets are all experiencing highs or lows of participation at the same time, which gives us a feel for how likely any moves will follow through. In today's release, we've added a market balance indicator to the pace of tape gauge. So not only can you tell if traders are coming into your market at the same time, but also if they have the same opinion too. So the needle on the gauge here shows us the pace of tape, and this new inner section we see here, this red wedge here, blue wedge here, tells you the balance of trade. So it's blue for an imbalance to the buy side and red for an imbalance to the sell side. Now, a lot of the time there will be little or no imbalance, but sometimes, as you see here on crude, we show an imbalancing trade. Now, this is most significant when it's happening across related markets. Now let's just take a look at the settings, and one of the things we've got in here may seem a little strange, but do remember we do test these things out ourselves on live markets before releasing. So if we look at the settings, the default look back for the balance meter is longer than the look back for the needle, and there's a few reasons for that. First of all, the needle on the pace of tape, it's a right here, right now indication. It's a much shorter look back period. With the balance of trade, we want to see if the current trade is one-sided right now, but also if that imbalance is enough to overcome any earlier trading too. So that longer period smooths things out a bit so you don't end up jumping at minor moves. Anyway, so try with these settings first. We think you'll find they'll work really well together. And that's really all I have to say about the imbalance gauge. It's very simple, very straightforward. Let us know how you get on with it, and I'll see you in the next video.